quick short video about a crazy, like winter style Noreaster at the end of May in Block Island. Hang tight, it gets bumpy. 7:30 on Saturday when it's supposed to snow in the mountains and blow like 50 to 60 out here. It's already going pretty good. That guy can't be very comfortable. No way. Wind shifted around 2:30 last night, 2:30 in the morning. And it is white capping already. And it's only blowing like 17 with gusts of 22. Later today it's supposed to blow 50. Well, it's supposed to blow 30 to 50 with potential higher gusts. Come on. And that is the boat bouncing up and down. Maybe I'll go down below and you can hear how loud it is. It's like we're underway motoring. Here's what it sounds like inside. I can see outside a little bit, but you can see the... Oh, look at that guy in the dinghy. You can see the boat going up and down and swinging left to right. I don't know if you can hear that. Squish, squish. Lots of noise. Here it comes. It's like somebody flicked the switch and it's on. Wind direction changed a little. And it's whipping. It's gonna be like this until about 6 o'clock tonight. Definitely not going to go anywhere for a while. I was hoping it was going to turn more this way, which it may still as it goes on, because I'll get a little more break from the land as opposed to that way where it's just wide open fetch. You can see this little boat is going up and down. Woo! That little sailboat worries me. There is somebody on it, but there's no sails. I don't think there's any working engine. I don't want that thing coming down on me if it breaks free. Woo! Wow.
For the Coast Guard scheduled broadcast notice to mariners, listen to channel 1022 and 22 Alpha, frequency 157.1 megahertz out.
Man, I'll tell you what, it is ripping now. It's rolling all the way into the back. got to be 2 footers. Woo! Blowing pretty good. I don't know how that boat's staying afloat. Looks like it's going underwater every time it goes down. Wow. Hopefully it shifts a little bit more. I want it to shift over there. That'll help a lot. That'll cut some fetch out. The land will block it, knock it down a little bit. I'm starting to fog up the windows up here from talking. Somebody trying to come out. Kind of sloppy. My neighbor moved his dinghy behind him, which is good. Oh, that's the neighbor in front of me. Woo! Oh man, they're soaked. Sorry, I had to mute this section out. I had the radio going. But I was talking about this red sailboat aground, leaning over, and not in a good situation. He did end up freeing himself and ended up smashing into the boat basin dock. I think it's blowing pretty good. That little gray line right across there is my summer clothesline to dry clothing. And you can see it. Boing, boing, boing. It's like an elastic. It's bouncing up and down. That's because the bows on the side are flexing in. So it's dropping and going loose, and then it's snapping back up. And then it's going loose, and then it's snapping back up. And it's really noisy up here. Woo! But I'm gonna stay for a while until this settles down.